US President Donald Trump today announced 100% reciprocal tariffs against India, which would take effect on April 2nd, reiterating his criticism of the very unfair tariffs that has been imposed by India and other nations. The Central Bureau of Investigation has sent a letter of rogatory to the United States seeking information from private investigator Michael Hirschman regarding the ₹64 crore Bofors bribery scandal. India secured a spot in the Champions Trophy final with a 4-wicket victory over Australia at Dubai International Stadium on Sunday. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar met British Prime Minister Keir Starmer on Tuesday night, where the PM shared the UK's perspective on the Ukraine conflict. This happened days after Starmer hosted an emergency meeting of European leaders in support of Ukraine and its President Volodymyr Zelensky, following Zelensky's public showdown with US President Trump at White House. On Tuesday, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky proposed a potential peace plan to end the war with Russia, saying he was willing to work under strong leadership of US President Donald Trump. Steve Smith, Australia's skipper for the Champions Trophy 2025, has announced his retirement from the one-day international format hours after India knocked Australia out of the Champions Trophy on Tuesday. Former ISKCON priest Chinmoy Krishna Das' lawyer Ravindra Ghosh wants to meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi and External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar, among other leaders, to ask India to use its influence, if not intervene, in the ongoing case. Face of Bangladeshi Hindu resistance was arrested in Bangladesh on November 25, 2024, facing serious allegations like sedition. On Wednesday, the Maharashtra Assembly suspended Samajwadi Party MLA Abu Asim Azmi from House membership till the end of the budget session over his remarks praising Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb, which prompted the opposition to accuse him of treason. UP CM Yogi Adityanath shared a success story of a boatman's family who earned ₹30 crore in 45 days during Mahakumbh in Prayagraj, held from January 13 to February 26. Bharatiya Kisan Union Ekta Ugrahan President Joginder Singh Ugrahan was arrested in Sangrur on Wednesday when he was on his way to join the Samyukt Kisan Morcha march to protest in Chandigarh.